Today we will demonstrate how to replace an alternator belt on your Life Fitness 95XI cross trainer using cable ties for assistance. Tools needed for this video will be a Phillips screwdriver, several cable ties, and a pair of wire cutters. Due to the difficulty installing new alternator belts on all versions of the 90X, 93X, and 95X cross trainers, this video has been published to ease the installation of an alternator belt using cable ties for assistance. Remove the main shroud as seen in the main shroud removal videos. Remove the alternator belt by walking the alternator belt to the side. Install the new belt over the alternator pulley. Roll the lower pulley to where the two holes are in the 9 o'clock position. Lay the new alternator belt into the grooves and use two cable ties to hold the alternator belt in place. Now turn the pulley slowly counterclockwise until the belt is fully seated into the grooves. Note, do not forget to cut the cable ties at this point. Now spin the pulley several revolutions to ensure that the new alternator belt is fully seated. Now reinstall the main shroud. This concludes today's demonstration.